Well, there's been quite a few questions about what our house looks like just after a day of living in it. Like the kids have been home all day today. I've been working from home. And so it's 4 o'clock now. So I'll just show you what it looks like, but also how quickly I can get it put back together again. Well, hi, I'm Dawn from The Minimal Mom, and our family just enjoys sharing about our minimalist lifestyle. It doesn't look very minimal right now because it's just been a full day of us living in the house, me working from home, the kids being home today, and I don't necessarily do a good job of cleaning up throughout the day. I would rather just get all my work done and then be able at, it's like 4 o'clock now, be able just to stop working for the day, clean everything up, get supper made, spend some time with the kids. And so, you know, I mean, I've spent some time with them throughout the day today as well, but now I'm ready just to be done working for the day and to switch gears. So I'll show you what the house looks like. The kitchen, you know, we made lunch and breakfast. The kids have been playing in this living room all day, making forts and different things. They're actually outside right now, but when they come back in, then they will be helping as well, definitely. I'll show you what the kitchen looks like after not getting cleaned up. We had chicken nuggets for lunch and some sliced up apples. So I'm gonna get busy cleaning this up. Like I said, I'm gonna have the kids come in a little bit and they can help as well. But sometimes I just enjoy cleaning in quiet, right? So I'm gonna get started with this before I have them come in and help. Of course, what is so awesome about our house now is that it just takes hardly any time to keep clean because we have fewer possessions in it. Like, the kids just can only pull out so much stuff during the day. So one thing I try not to do whenever I'm cleaning a room, so like I was cleaning the kitchen, is to not leave it. So even though I found this paint tray, a little purse of Maggie's, and I don't know, this light fixture, like why does stuff like that end up in the kitchen? Like, I don't know. But even though this stuff doesn't belong in this room, I just push it off to the side of the counter and I try not to leave a room until I'm done with it, because otherwise, you know, I would leave the room to go put it away, forget what I was doing, get distracted doing something else. And then this is the bathroom where I get ready, so I just have a few things out on the vanity from when I was getting ready, and I noticed that Chase is down on the floor, so I'll grab him as well. Now as far as actually like cleaning the bathroom, I probably do that like once a week, once any week and a half. Basically when we're having people over, or when it just starts getting kind of gross, then I'll just wipe everything down quick. But I've really found that as we've simplified our house, I clean more on an as needed basis and not so much having a cleaning schedule. As I notice things, I'll just wipe them down quick. And so it's just so much easier to keep our house clean now. I don't really feel like I need, you know, a cleaning schedule or anything like that. But I am also not a person who really enjoys cleaning or enjoys cleaning schedules or anything like that either. So that is probably also part of the reason why. And yes, I still try to stick to the 1 load of laundry a day. We don't always have 1 load, but if we do, I try to throw it in. So right now the load of laundry that I put in during breakfast time is done. So now I'm gonna swap it out. I'm gonna fold and shuffle away the stuff in the dryer really quickly and then move the stuff from the washer into the dryer. Some of it is dark, so it's gonna get put on the drying rack as well. By the way, this drying rack is really awesome. It's from Amazon. It's super sturdy and wasn't very expensive, so I will link to that down below. So now if you've seen my laundry video, you know I'm just gonna go take these things and put them away quick. I have some dish towels for the kitchen, some bath towels, and then some of the girls' clothes, so I'll throw those on the steps and they can put them away. And just like that, laundry is done for the day. Isn't it just incredible how things accumulate on any kind of flat surface? I mean, seriously, this is why we try and limit the number of flat surfaces in our house, like end tables and side tables and sofa tables and bookshelves and all of that, because any flat surface in our house collects stuff. And we have mittens here, we have bracelets and necklaces that they made. I have a RSVP card I need to send back. There's napkins, I don't know, receipts, there's stuff from the kids. every flat surface. But the good thing is we have very few flat surfaces now, and so it does make staying on top of all of this stuff a whole lot easier. So mostly this is just Tom's bathroom. So I usually just let his stuff out on the vanity unless we're having people come over. Then I'll tuck it away in the drawers. Everything has a spot and I'll wipe everything down. But the kids were in here, they took a bath just for entertainment. I don't know if your kids do that when they're on break. So there's just some clothes on the floor that I will put away, put everything back in its spot in the shower, and this room is done. So now I got the kitchen, the bathroom's done, the laundry done, and so now I'm gonna go grab the kids and we're gonna tackle this crazy living room, and then also the girls need to clean their desks off. And so, you know, I've tried a lot of different ways of how to get kids to clean, and I think what we've kind of landed on now is like the party method. Like, we're all gonna go in this room and tackle it together. It'll take about 4 minutes. In the past, I would be like in the kitchen getting dinner ready, and I would be yelling at the kids, pick up the living room, pick up the living room, put the Legos away, put the pillows back up on the couch. And it was stressful, and it was stressful for them too. But I found now when we just kind of do like group effort, all work together, that it goes a lot faster. I don't have to yell as much. I just hand stuff out, say, go put this away, go put this away. And I hope that I'm also, I don't know, instilling some teamwork skills in the kids as well. So I do expect it to evolve as the kids get older, but for now with these ages 4 through 9, it seems to work really well. And then while the girls are cleaning their desks, Corbin is going to empty the dishwasher. Where'd you go, buddy? Oh, anyway, Corbin's gonna empty the dishwasher, and then I'm gonna load up any of these dirty dishes. I know the concern always, especially like we're talking about getting rid of toys and different things like that, is, but can they occupy their time? And honestly, the kids have been home all day today, and they've just been playing most of the day. For a little bit they were watching TV, but otherwise they were coming up with different musical instruments, practicing a performance that they want to do when Tom gets home. They were building forts. You'll see cardboard on the floor. Corbin was baking some things out of cardboard. He was trying to make his own bow and arrow. I mean, Adeline was painting, Maggie was knitting. Please don't be afraid of getting rid of your toys, because your kids are gonna be so much more creative without them, and you'll probably find that they actually play more. I know, it's counterintuitive, but it really works. All right, well, I think that's all of the areas that we made messy today. So thank you so much for watching. I've never made like a clean with me video or anything like this before, so I don't even know if I did it right, but thank you for watching. And I do hope that you see that as you continue to simplify your house, it does just get so much easier to keep clean. And so that's my biggest encouragement to you, and what I hope you saw in this video. And I'd love it if you'd leave any tips that you have for keeping your house tidy down below, or what you've been noticing as you've been simplifying, if it's getting easier and easier to keep clean. And also, if you have any questions, of course, leave those down below. A thumbs up is the best compliment that you can give us, and I certainly hope you subscribe so that we can keep in touch.